Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside pipe cutter. Fits outside diameter from 3mm to 35mm. Maximum pipe wall thickness is 1mm. Cuts soft metal pipes without bars. And let's see some specs. Work on piping, particularly gas and oil lines, must be worked by a trained professional. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can work with that. And of course we've got some manual inside. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Here we've got the regulator. You can see I'm screwing and is tightening more the pipe that I will fit here, and it is from 3 to 35mm, the diameter of the pipe. Feels very nice to my hand, nice material. We've got the rollers here. And that when you're going to cut your pipe with this tool, you can clean it around. Well, that's nice. Oh, let's find a pipe to see how it works. We've got this copper tube. Now let's cut it. You need to put it exactly between these two rollers. Then tighten it. Screw and give a small pressure, not too much, and then start rolling. Screw again screw, and you can see it's starting to cut it as you're screwing and turning around. And that was very clean cut. Then open that and clean it. And it is very clean. Oh, let's try it again. There we are. Very clean cut. Nice, thumbs up. Well, that's how you can use this Parkside pipe cutter to cut this copper pipe. If you need something like that, guys, it costs about €7, and you can see definitely it will do the job. You can cut from 3 to 35mm the diameter of the pipe, and the thickness of the pipe, it should be 1mm maximum. That was all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.